Hey guys, hope you're having a great Christmas weekend. As we always do, this is going to be our weekly watch list video highlighting the 5 plays we're watching this week. First one being Tesla, second one being NVDA, third one Meta, fourth one FedEx, and then the fifth one Amazon. Hope you guys enjoy, and if you do, comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. So getting things started like I always do if you've watched our prior videos, the first thing I'm doing is going to be breaking down the market by utilizing SPY, which is the S&P 500 ETF. What we're seeing here within the past week is we get a sell-off into consolidation off of this key 376.33 support region. We get this level from the bounce region where we got back here in the beginning of June. We also rejected here in the beginning of October before making new lows, pullback support here. Tested this here on that 1222 daily candle, pulled back into 376.33 and holding very, very strong here. That's going to be the level I'm watching here for the week 2 hold. If we do break this, I do think we can trade down into this sub 370 region here on the daily chart with continued weakness after this gap up sell-off on 1213. So you can see we gapped up here, opened right at that 410 key level here, selling off all the way down here, and now we're making the move lower into that 376.33 region here. Again, watching that as the key support region here. As for upside, I want to see a move above this 387 region with the next key level here into this 390 area, and then above that into 393.45. 390 going to be a very pivotal psych level here on the daily chart that a lot of traders, a lot of investors, institutions will be eyeing here. Watching if we can get a break of that for that 393.45 move here. Pretty much 5 days of consolidation here. Obviously lower volume on Friday with heading into a holiday weekend. You can expect to see lower equity volume on that last day. So we get this consolidation here. Now let's see if we can break this 387.30 region for a continued upside move here with that strongest support level below at 376.33 here coming up this week. The first play of the week, I'm sure a lot of you guys have this one on watch, one that I'm having on watch here and it has been on watch for a while. Going to be Tesla. A lot of selling here, a lot of liquidation, a lot of continuation to the downside, trading on high volume here as we get a very, very strong sell-off here on this particular equity. What I'm seeing here is, if you guys remember from our last watch list video, I said I wanted to see a break below 153.36 to take this short on a break below this bullish candle that we got on 1215. We got exactly that here on 1216, and look at the follow-through we've gotten here since. Now, what I'm personally watching here on this one is either a continuation lower below sub 120 for a continuation sell-off into this 110.75 weekly level, or a bounce reject here at this 134.79 area, and then a continuation lower into this 120 region. Expecting this 120 region to be a key macro level here just by going out to the weekly chart here. You can see a lot of consolidation at this level here prior into this 120 region, this 134 region. Watching if we can break below 120. I do think we test down into this 110.74 area below here. Do have to watch this one from the daily chart, but obviously a key downtrend selling pressure here on Tesla. You go to the daily chart, obviously a downtrend move here. So watching bounce rejects or a continuation sell-off here below that 119.42, 120 psych level with a macro weekly target of that 110.75 area below here. The second play of the week, one that has had a little bit of relative strength here compared to the market, as we're seeing a lot of selling pressure here on the market. NVIDIA is still holding up. Obviously, it's pulling back from the market here, but we're significantly off the lows here, trading at 152, and the lows back when SPY was at a low was at 108. So significantly above the highs here, trading in a consolidation base here, holding that 150 area here. If we do zoom in on the 5-day, 5-minute, see, we get this morning sell-off into 150. We also sold off here on Thursday into 150, closing up higher, indicating the buyers present in this 149 to 150 region below. Eyeing for them to step in here this week for a continuation move to the upside with potential into this 157.47 region, above that into this 162.24 area. Nice inside bar here. Do not want to see a break and hold below 148.24. If we do, potential downside here on this off of this inside bar failure. We'll eye this long if we can hold this region here or hold this 150 area on a pullback here in the coming week. The third play, one that's been on our watch list a lot lately just because of this consolidation base here, is Meta. Obviously, not in an uptrend move, not in a downtrend move. We're in a consolidation phase here on the daily chart here. No directional movement here after a very strong downtrend sell-off that we've seen all year as the common theme of many equities. Getting a consolidation here, want to see a hold above that 118.76 level is still very key here. So we gapped up, held support, we broke below, we tried to hold this level here again, broke down, reject, now we're forming this consolidation. Above 118.76, I do think we trade up into this 125 area again here. A lot of consolidation here, but some relative strength here on Meta compared to the market. We got some weakness in the market here on Friday. Meta up 0.79%, obviously not on much volume leading into the holiday weekend, but something to note. 118.76, eyeing this one as a key level here for the upside with room up into that 125 region above here. The fourth play is going to be a relative strength move off of earnings. We get this move down here on FedEx after a very bad earnings here earlier in September. Gap down, consolidation. Now we get this gap up, consolidation here. Decent earnings, moving higher here. Really what I want to see is a continuation follow through, holding above this key 175.63 to 176.40 region here. A lot of consolidation at this level. You can see a strong level here based off of this candle, indecision here, break lower, rejection, consolidation here, and again, testing this level here, trying to hold. Ideally, want to see a long above this one, above 178.91, 179 region for a move up into 184 to fill this area back from 12.13. You can see we're forming this cup formation here. Ideally, want that 179 area to hold to take this one to the upside with potential up into that 184.17 region above here on this particular move. The last one that was on our watch to the downside, and we got the downside last week, is going to be on Amazon. We get this move up here on weakness. We're finally cracking this support here. So what this does here is we're coming into the support, everyone's buying, hoping we bounce here on the support. We break down, stop loss is getting triggered. Now, what are those people on the sidelines likely thinking? Well, they're probably waiting for a retest of this level to buy here. If we don't get that, they're staying on the sidelines. The bears are still in control here. So there's really two setups, both long and short on this one. Want to see a short setup if we reject 86.02, reclaim below this bull candle here at 83.02 to take this into 52-week close on a continuation move to the downside here. Flip side, if we do get a breakback above 89.10, expecting those buyers coming in off of this level here to step back in and push this one into that 93.56 region above here within the coming weeks. With that being said, that wraps up our 5 plays for the week. If you did enjoy this video, if you could please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. If you are interested in checking out our course alerts and more, feel free to check out Simplified-Investing.com today. We would love to have you guys on board. Hope you guys all had a great Christmas and look forward to trading with you all on the team on Tuesday. Thank you.